Hey everyone, today I'll show you the H&R Block tutorial for beginners and how to file your own taxes. First, open your web browser. Now, go to the official H&R Block websites. Then, click on File Online or Start for free. If you already have an account, click Sign In. If you are new, create a new account by entering your email and setting a password. After signing in, click on Start a New Tax Return. Now, answer the basic questions about your life like your age, work, and income. Next, choose the right H&R Block service based on how simple or complex your taxes are. After that, start entering your personal information like your name, address, and social insurance number. Then, add your income details like your T4 slips or other income forms. If you have any deductions or credits, make sure to enter them as well. H&R Block will guide you step by step to help you fill everything out correctly. Once you finish entering all your information, review your return carefully. Now, click on Review to check for any mistakes. After checking, click on File to submit your tax return to the CRA. You can also save or print a copy of your tax return for your records. That's it. You have successfully filled out your taxes online using H&R Block. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.